Did you know that the right Apple Watch Ultra 3 band can totally transform your style and comfort? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 11 plus best bands for 2025 that blend durability, style, and functionality. Stick around, you'll find your perfect fit, and links are waiting for you in the description to grab them easily. The number 12 product on our list is Easuny Leather Band. What if your Apple Watch band could age like a fine pair of leather boots, gaining character, depth, and personality over time? That's exactly what the Easuny Leather Band offers. Made from premium Crazy Horse leather, this band is more than just a strap. It's a statement piece. Each wear adds to its rugged meets refined appeal, making your Apple Watch Ultra feel both timeless and unique. Unlike bulkier leather bands, this one strikes the ideal balance of durability and everyday comfort, so it transitions easily from professional meetings to casual weekend outings. While it's not designed for intense workouts or sweaty training sessions, it is designed for style, presence, and individuality. If you appreciate accessories that grow with you and tell a story through use, this band will quickly become a favorite. It's not just about wearing a watch. It's about wearing character and class on your wrist. At number 11 is Bouixel Genuine Leather Band. Looking for a strap that truly complements the bold and adventurous style of your Apple Watch Ultra? The Bouixel Genuine Leather Band is crafted to do just that. Made from vintage Crazy Horse leather, it evolves beautifully over time, gaining a unique patina with every scratch, mark, and wear. Turning it into more than just a band, it becomes your personal story. Its rugged metal connector ensures a secure fit, while the classic leather design delivers a timeless, versatile look that works in both professional and casual settings. Whether you're sitting in a business meeting or heading out on a weekend escape, this band blends durability and sophistication in one package. Built to last, yet comfortable enough for daily wear, it's the perfect upgrade for those who want their watch strap to reflect character, strength, and style with every passing day. At number 10 is Elastic Sport Band. If you're done with stiff, uncomfortable watch straps that leave your wrists sore, the Elastic Sport Band is the refreshing change you need. Specially designed for the Apple Watch Ultra, this band uses stretchy, skin-friendly nylon that adapts to your movements, giving you unmatched comfort whether you're working out, at the office, or simply relaxing. What really sets it apart is the upgraded parachute clasp, offering a secure fit that's easy to adjust and smooth to fasten, so you never have to worry about slips. Its lightweight, breathable build allows airflow, preventing sweat buildup and irritation even during intense workouts. With its sleek look and reliable design, this band doesn't just feel good, it looks good too. For users who want the perfect blend of flexibility, durability, and style, the Elastic Sport Band is a must-have upgrade for everyday wear. At number 9 is Maledan Silicone Waterproof Band. If you need a band that's tough enough to handle your hardest workouts, the Maledan Silicone Waterproof Band is built for the challenge. Crafted from ultra-soft silicone, it's fully waterproof, sweat-proof, and quick-drying, making it perfect for high-energy activities like running, swimming, or hiking. The standout feature is its honeycomb air hole design, which keeps your wrist cool and dry by maximizing airflow, even during long, intense sessions. Its rugged two-tone style adds an adventurous edge, giving your Apple Watch Ultra a bold, sporty look that stands out. The stainless steel pin and tuck closure ensures a secure, worry-free fit, so you can focus on performance without distractions. Unlike generic sport bands, this one combines durability, breathability, and comfort in a single package. For fitness lovers and outdoor adventurers who demand both style and reliability, this band is a smart, no-nonsense upgrade. At number 8 is Easuny Sport Magnetic Band. The Easuny Sport Magnetic Band takes comfort and convenience to a whole new level for your Apple Watch. Designed with powerful N54 magnets, 50% stronger than standard ones, it ensures your watch stays firmly in place, no matter how intense your activity gets. Whether you're running, training at the gym, or simply tackling your daily routine, this band's waterproof, sweat-resistant, and dust-proof build keeps you protected and worry-free. The real advantage is its magnetic clasp system, which makes adjustments effortless compared to traditional buckles. Just snap it into place and go. Lightweight yet durable, it adapts to your movements while maintaining a secure, comfortable fit. Perfect for active users, it blends functionality, reliability, and modern style in one sleek package. If you're tired of complicated bands and want something easy, secure, and adventure-ready, the Easuny Sport Magnetic Band is a smart, no-brainer choice. At number 7 is Odbeai Waterproof Silicone Band. For those who demand a band that can handle every challenge, the Odbeai Waterproof Silicone Band is built to perform. Crafted from premium, tear-resistant silicone, It's not only soft against the skin, but also fully waterproof, sweat-proof, and highly durable, making it ideal for the gym, running, swimming, or rugged outdoor adventures. Its rugged yet sleek design is engineered to keep up with high-energy lifestyles while maintaining all-day comfort. The easy adjustment system ensures a secure fit without the hassle of complicated buckles, so you can focus on your activity rather than fiddling with your band. Whether you're pushing through a workout or taking on the great outdoors, this band delivers strength, flexibility, and style in equal measure. For Apple Watch users who value practicality, durability, and sporty looks, the Odbeai Silicone band is a reliable, adventure-ready upgrade. And number 6 is Spigen TPU Case with band. If you want an accessory that not only shields your watch but also enhances your Apple Watch experience, the Spigen TPU Case with band is the perfect fit. Engineered with a rugged unibody design and striking carbon fiber accents, it delivers reliable shock absorption, keeping your watch safe from unexpected drops, bumps, and scrapes. The raised edges add an extra layer of defense, protecting the display from direct impact and scratches during daily wear or outdoor adventures. What makes it even better is its effortless functionality. Precise cutouts ensure seamless access to every button, crown, and feature without compromise. Combining sleek aesthetics, durable materials, and practical design, this case-band combo is built for those who demand both style and security. Whether you're at the gym, in the office, or exploring outdoors, it's a smart upgrade for users who want protection without losing elegance. At number 5 is AmBand Rugged Case with Band. If you want serious all-around protection for your Apple Watch, the AmBand Rugged Case with Band delivers in every way. Built with a reinforced metal core wrapped in tough TPU armor, it offers military-grade durability, making it the perfect companion for high-intensity workouts, outdoor adventures, or demanding daily use. The raised bezel and integrated tempered glass screen protector provide complete defense against scratches, drops, and bumps, keeping your watch safe from life's unexpected impacts. Despite its rugged build, the breathable band ensures all-day comfort, so you can wear it from morning gym sessions to evening outings without irritation. Its bold, tactical aesthetic adds a layer of style that matches its toughness. For Apple Watch users who refuse to compromise on safety, performance, or design, this case-band combo is the ultimate upgrade, making your watch both protected and powerful in any scenario. At number 4 is XYF Crystal Clear Band. If you're after a band that's sleek, protective, and effortlessly stylish, the XYF Crystal Clear Band is a fantastic choice for your Apple Watch. Crafted from soft, transparent TPU, it offers a unique blend of comfort and durability, keeping your watch safe while letting its original design shine through. The breathable build ensures your wrist stays cool and dry, whether you're sweating it out at the gym or exploring outdoors. What makes this band stand out is the built-in 1 mm raised edge, providing extra protection against scratches, bumps, and everyday wear without adding bulk. Installation is quick and simple, requiring no tools, so you can swap it in seconds. Combining clarity, comfort, and security, this band is perfect for users who want their Apple Watch to stay protected while looking fresh and modern. A smart upgrade for both style and function. The third one on our list is iiteeology Lightweight Stainless Steel Band. Want to give your Apple Watch a refined, premium look without losing everyday comfort? The iiteeology Lightweight Stainless Steel Band delivers exactly that. Measuring just 2.3 mm thick, it's impressively lightweight yet durable, offering a sleek brushed finish that complements everything from the rugged Ultra 3 to the polished Series 9. The one-piece construction eliminates screws, ensuring a secure fit that won't loosen over time, so you can wear it confidently all day. Its slim profile makes it versatile enough for casual outings while still sophisticated enough to pair with formal wear. Unlike bulky metal bands, this design balances elegance and practicality, keeping your Apple Watch stylish without adding weight. For users who want a band that feels as good as it looks, this stainless steel option is a smart upgrade, combining comfort, durability, and timeless style in one standout accessory. And number 2 is OUHENG Genuine Leather Band. If you're looking for a band that blends luxury, comfort, and timeless appeal, the OUHENG Genuine Leather Band is a perfect choice. Made from premium leather, it offers a soft, supple feel against the skin while maintaining impressive durability for everyday wear. The sleek stainless steel buckle adds a professional touch, making it suitable for both business meetings and casual outings. Designed to fit a wide range of Apple Watch models, including the Ultra 3, this band combines versatility with style. The easy-to-use connectors ensure a quick and secure installation, so you can swap it in seconds without hassle. With its snug, comfortable fit and refined aesthetic, it elevates your Apple Watch into a true fashion accessory, If you want to upgrade your look with something elegant yet practical, this leather band is a game-changing addition to your collection. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Lite Fit Ultra Band. The Spigen Lite Fit Ultra Band strikes the perfect balance between durability and comfort, making it an excellent everyday choice for Apple Watch users. Crafted from a strong blend of nylon and zinc alloy, it's tough enough to handle your active lifestyle, whether that means long runs, hiking trips, or casual daily wear. Its natural elasticity ensures a snug, yet breathable fit, so it stays comfortable even during extended use. The color-matched stainless steel connectors integrate seamlessly with your Apple Watch Ultra, giving it a sleek and modern appearance that doesn't compromise style. Despite being lightweight, this band is impressively durable and designed to fit most wrist sizes with ease. For those who want a low-maintenance, reliable, and stylish band that holds up under pressure without sacrificing comfort, the Lite Fit Ultra is a smart, no-fuss upgrade. So guys, this was the video about the 11 plus best Apple Watch Ultra 3 bands 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.